QBridge is live, the first non-custodial bridge connecting Qubic and Ethereum. In this video, I'll walk you through the bridge and demo it live. Let's jump in. This is the main interface at QBridge.com. Up top, you'll see two tabs, Bridge and Add Liquidity. We're starting on Bridge, which is the core feature. The layout is simple. At the top, you have your From section, currently set to Qubic Network. Your balance is displayed in QU on the right. Below that is the Amount field. The To section shows Ethereum mainnet and tells you exactly how much wrapped QU you'll receive. You'll need to paste your destination EVM address here. And there's also an optional memo field if you want to tag the transaction with a note. Now, there's a swap arrow right in the middle. Click that to flip the direction, because the bridge works both ways. Qubic to Ethereum, or Ethereum back to Qubic. Alright, let's do this live. First, I'll connect my Qubic wallet using this button right here. A modal pops up with two tabs, EVM and Qubic. We're on the Qubic tab. I'll click Connect, and you get three options: MetaMask Snap, Wallet Connect, or Private Seed. I'll go with Wallet Connect. Scan the QR code with my Qubic wallet app. And we're paired. Now I'll enter the amount I want to bridge. Let's go with 15 million QU. I'll paste my EVM address here and double check that. You always want to make sure the destination address is correct. Everything looks good. Let's hit Bridge. I'll confirm the transaction in my Qubic wallet app on my phone. And now we wait. The transaction needs confirmations on both networks, so this takes a moment. You'll see the status update on screen. And there it is, transaction confirmed. If I check my Ethereum wallet now, the wrapped QU tokens are right there. That's a successful bridge. If you can't see your wrapped Qubic tokens in your EVM wallet, make sure to import them using the contract address provided in the video description below. There's also another feature, Add Liquidity. If you want to provide liquidity to the wrapped QU pool on Uniswap and earn trading fees, you can do that directly from the interface as either a USDC or ETH pair. One click takes you straight to Uniswap with the pair preloaded. That brings us to the end of this video tutorial. QBridge is powered by Vottun, and if you ever need help, there's a Discord link right in the video description. That's everything. If this helped you out, like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.